Okay guys, welcome back. I got her all apart, as you can see. Let's see, let me pan up here. As you can see, we have totally disassembled her. I left some parts together because I'll disassemble them as I clean them. It's just easier to do it that way. Here's the spare shock that was the turning, or the stabilizer, tie rod kind of thing. And, you know, here's one thing we found out. You got to buyers beware, kabi abi intor, or whatever they say. This one was really wobbly and we couldn't figure out why. Then we get into it and both mounts are busted. So I'm not sure if we're going to use this or not. I might be able to come up with a cool mounting system for it. We're going to see. And if not, we'll just replace it with a new one. And then the old Traxxas here, she's looking not bad. I mean, I've seen way worse. So anyways, what I'm going to do real fast is people get trippy when you start talking about transmissions. So we're all over the place there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to take one apart. So they're super easy. The first thing you're going to need is this nut here, okay? I'm going to take this all the way off. Okay. We'll set everything right here for now. Pop that baby off, pop the disc. There's a little tiny clip right here. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can get it up there. See? It's a little tiny clip that holds it in. And so, we'll pull that out. Set that down. Now, we just pop these off. Okay? If you guys don't know how to use a clutch thing, these clutch screw guns, this is all the way to drill mode. And then it's more torque, the more higher you go, the more torque you get. And on these ones, when you're tightening, I like to go to 1 and they don't strip stuff out. But when you're stripping stuff apart, I like to go to about 11. So I think there's only like 4 or 5 bearings in here, guys. It's super easy to change. If you get a complete set, we do Fast Eddies. It's not a paid advertisement for them, but we use strictly Fast Eddies because they come in a kit that is totally legit. Now, one thing you got to watch, guys, is on the bottom of these Traxxas, they're really not a sealed gear case. Okay, see that right there? You got to take that off. Okay. Put that aside because you're going to need it later. So we can reseal it. Okay. And now, you'll notice I leave all the screws pretty much in the place they go. That's just an easier way to not get yourself in trouble. And now, oh, this is one stubborn tranny, guys. Let's see. Make sure everything's undone. Yep, we are. Hold on just a sec. Okay, let's see, guys. I think we got it right there. Okay, here we go, guys. See? That's all there is to it. And what I like to do is take this apart right here and clean it. We're going to replace all the bearings. See, here's your little diff. And I'll probably go inside of here and refill it because Traxxas don't fill it. I like mine full. A lot of people argue that. But, you know, each their own. And then, see, look. That's all there is to it, guys. That's the transmission tear apart right there. Now what we'll do is we'll go get all of our new parts. We'll make an assessment. As you can see, there's quite a bit there. That car is completely tore down for the most part. And like I said, we got some sub-assemblies we got to take apart for a minute and clean, but that'll be our next video. I'll show you how to just wash them up. You can do it in your shower, but your wife will probably kill you, or the kitchen sink. That sometimes gets, But you get that good hot water. But what I do is I got a wash basin and a bunch of toothbrushes, and we'll just go through it like that and get it all clean. So, okay, guys, like I said, this is what a level 1 kit job looks like. And we still got to tear the shocks apart, rebuild those, and all those sub-assemblies will come apart and get scrubbed, cleaned, shined. We're going all new A-arms, front and rear, all new bearings, and quite possibly an ESC. We don't know yet. So anyways, guys, tell me if you like this kind of video, and this is part 2, and the next part will be cleaning and inspection, and then part 4 will be start to reassemble, and part 5 will be final finish, and then we'll do the paint the lid, and we'll go through that one too. Okay, all right, guys, a little long, but hope you like it. Okay, and remember, if you like this, leave a comment, like, subscribe, tell your neighbors. I'm trying to grow the channel, and hope you guys like this. If not, let me know and we'll do something else. So anyways, like and subscribe. Peace out, guys.